Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. I know I've been doing a lot of haul videos lately, but I wanted to share with this with you guys too. I am a little late with this, as even though I am an affiliate, I have missed this launch. So let me show you what I purchased from Live Love Posh. So as you guys know, I am an affiliate with Live Love Posh, and when you guys purchase things, I do get a commission. However, as you guys also know, for years and years and years, I have been supporting them regardless of being an affiliate or not. So let me show you all about what this is all about. So I did buy both of their books. Actually bought multiples because I love them. And I did buy a fitness planner. So let me show you what this is. This is 4 months of weekly fitness and meal planning. I'm not going to be using this right now, but I did wanted to share with you. As always, you get a freebie. This is my lovely freebie. So let me go through the planner first, and then I will share with you the stickers. And again, if you use code KASHA10, you do get 10% off. And I am blessed with your guys' support. So again, 4 months of undated fitness planner. So let's take a look. Pages are fantastic. Paper is thick and nice as always. So we have fitness goals. You have months on the top. Then top 3 goals for the month. Measurable outcome, achievable steps, relevant reasons, time frame, and then weekly action steps. Then you have fitness reflections. Then you have a 4-week measurement tracker, which is amazing. Then you have progress photos, monthly weight tracker, monthly steps tracker. Like, how incredible. Then you get a notes page. One is dot grid, one is lined, so both sides. And then you get weekly wellness trackers. So you get habits and workout and activities. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 of each. Then you have, oh my gosh, look at this. So this is a weekly meal plan. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. So that is already what I track. So that is pretty incredible. I might actually switch to it like in March. Let's see. And then you have a weekly grocery list. And then you go back to the weekly tracker. So yeah, that is month by month. So let's skip those. So then you have a new month again. So you have 4 of those. And then let's look what's in the back. So a weekly wellness tracker, meal plan, and look, 30-day workout challenge. You have a whole bunch of those. Look at that. And then hydration challenge. Then you have a 100-mile challenge. I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna go ahead and look that up, but I'm assuming your combined like steps will equal 100 miles in a month. And then you have some notes in the back. So that is basically the whole planner. It is incredible. I highly recommend it. And of course, we get fitness stickers and budget stickers. I did not get the budget planner. My current budget system does work for me, so I didn't want to fix something that's not broken. However, my fitness, obviously my wellness planner, it's kind of a makeshift. So let me show you what it is right now, which is not great. So this is what it is like for February and March. So we're looking at like tracking what I eat, whether I took my meds, how I felt, how much I slept, and how much I like moved. So nothing super robust like this. So like I said, I might be switching. We shall see. But let me show you the stickers. So again, Chic Fitness. Look at this. Look how stunning. Okay, and this matches. You see that? This matches. Okay, and then the second collection. So this is on paper. This was on clear. So you get 2 pages of everything, it looks like. Look at this. That's on paper. I love this washer, you guys. This is on paper and it's super beautiful. I love these, like this combined with Rio florals. They always like do an amazing job when it comes to like paint like pictures. Look at how cute this is. So you get like Rio pictures that you can include, and then all of these florals. And then we have this. This is on clear, so you have a weight, you have like a fast food thing, you have a watch, you have a bike, you have a yoga mat. Like, look how adorable. Then we have icon stickers. So it says hydrate, track progress, workout playlist, cheat meal, meal prep, yoga, go for a walk, cardio, cycling, weigh-in, and then weight training. So you get 2 pages of those. Now we're back to clear pages, and look, like all of these equipment for gym are stunning. Look at this one. That is zen. This is on clear. Oh, I love this. Like the whole yoga look. The face mask. It's pretty great. So you get, this is on paper again, and it's like 2 pages. And look at this black and pink. So cool. And I love that there's like dark and light colored. This is back on to clear. I love these florals. And then we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And then these are listed out: breakfast, lunch, dinner, groceries, measurements, and then you have weight, arm, bust, waist, hips, thighs. So 2 pages of those. Then we have quotes. Running is my cardio. Don't quit. Running late is my cardio. Don't quit. Live, love, lift. Excuses, don't burn calories. Kind of want to work out. Kind of take a nap. Kind of want to take a nap. That's me, like every day. So yeah, you can take a look at these. Sorry what I said about my burpees during burpees. I don't sweat. I sparkle. Oh my god. Gym hair, don't care. Sore today, stronger tomorrow. Eat, sleep, gym. So yeah, there's a lot more, obviously. And then the second book I have to show you guys is this beautiful budget babe. So I already have a budget planner. I actually strictly don't decorate it. I don't know why, because I think it would be more fun if I did. But this would be great for like a vision board. If you wanted to manifest stuff, I might add stuff to my vision board actually. So yeah, let's take a look. So this is on paper. This one's on clear. Then we have this beautiful desk. This is on paper. So you guys, you can use this for more than just budget, like I said. But look at this, credit card, like a little house, a car, a computer, a vanity. Like all of these things are in here. This is on clear and it's gorgeous. And then pay bills, subscriptions, and we have electricity, medical, school fees, water, mortgage, phone, internet, car payment, subscriptions, and then credit cards. So yeah, you get 2 pages of those. And then look how stunning this is, budget babe. Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. These both are on clear. And then look at this. Cut expenses, not dreams. Budget wisely, live freely. Like all these are awesome. So this is on paper and second page is on clear. Then we have bill due in different colors. Those are corner stickers. So yeah, those are awesome for the monthly. Then we have due, and then a check off. These are great for the monthly, and second page is all black, and you even have bullet points here. Then we have savings, income, budget, expenses, bills due, debts, payments, sinking fund, no spend, budget goals, actual spend, payday. Then we have monthly budget, subscriptions, credit cards, taxes, weekly budget, weekly spend, daily spend, okay? And then we have savings, income, budget, expenses, bills due, debts. So it's the same by different color scheme. I see. And then you have icons, and these are lovely. And then we have monthly budget, budget actual. That is awesome. And then same thing, button colored, and then savings challenge $500, and then monthly budget. So cool. Then we have weekly savings $100, okay, and then weekly spending, and then no spend challenges, and weekly spending. Look at that. And then you have mortgage, cell phone, childcare, loan payment, rent, medical, personal, credit card, car payment, groceries, gas, clothing, electricity, household maintenance, travel, water, gas, entertainment, auto insurance, retirement, donation, internet streaming, med insurance, gifts, TV subscription, home insurance, taxes, property tax. So you get 2 pages of those. And then you have this very faint, the very, very faint dot, like a grid, not dot grid, actual grid, where you would put expense item, budget, actual difference. So you get 2 pages of those. So this is a very, very helpful book, even though it has so many beautiful stickers in between to decorate with. So it's like a fun with functional. So again, Budget Babe, Chic Fitness, and then my fitness planner. Let me know if you guys are purchasing any of these or if you already did. I am so excited to get started on this. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining. Bye.